Wow!
Hi, Daddy Flora, Mami Gina. Salamat po. Anak kayo ng mga magagandang anak. Thank you po. Love you po. Hi, Sir De Leon. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And I wish you all the best. Lagi daw magpapakabait at sana pagpatuloy ng stories mo. Ayan. Enjoy your birthday! Happy birthday kay Irish Mosquera at kay Kay from Dubai. Ayan. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa birthday nyo. Happy 2 months sa inyo pala. Ayan. Salamat from Makoy and I. Thank you. Love. Hi, Maclis Global. Especially kay Ate Jazel, Ate Christina, kay Ate Pam, at kay Ate Rochelle po. Sana makauwi kayo at makapag-bonding tayong lahat. I hope to meet you guys soon and thank you for the love and support. Love you! Hi guys! I just want to thank all of you for the love and support, for the tweets, the comments. I really appreciate it, and sorry hindi ako lagi nakaka-reply, but once I have the time, I will, and ayun, gusto ko lang magpasalamat because I can see all your efforts. Thank you, and I love you guys! Bye! Hi, Mama Gina! Happy birthday po sa inyo! Salamat po at nagkaroon ako ng mababait na friends and supporters sa katauhan ng iyong mga anak. Happy birthday po, and I wish you good health and happiness. Sheila Linda. Hi Sheila! Miss na kita! Kailan ka Manila? Hindi ba? Kailan ka bibisita ng Manila? Miss you so much! Tapos karaoke tayo. See you soon! Happy birthday sa'yo, Mikey! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Take care! Ate, hindi, sige na po. Naman!
Yan na, okay na.
Wala pa pala. Hi, Mark! Happy birthday! Belated happy birthday sa'yo! Sorry na rin yung meeting. Pero sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Salamat sa'yo. Love you!
As if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way.
Hi, Elicipides! Happy anniversary sa inyo. Stay strong and I love you guys! Nanonood kami ng Barcelona! Salamat po sa mainit niyong pagtanggap. Thank you. Hindi ko po in-expect na ganun po kadami yung nandun today. Hello, madlang people.
Hello!
Invite mo sila.
Manood po kayo ng SCGM Provincial na Pasasalamat isang taon at isang pamilya tayo sa Arneta Coliseum. And may pasabog kami ni ang kabol-kabol phenomenal star by Gala. Pak na nerd.
Dami niya sinabi.
Malita na.
What's up? Hi, Bataan and Lucified! See you guys in a while! I'm so excited! Bildex, thank you for your support. Sana ma-meet kita soon. Take care and God bless. Finally, you're done. After 3 hours of waiting. Good morning. Aren't you gonna see? Hi guys! I just want to thank all of you for the love and support, for the tweets, the comments. I really appreciate it. And sorry, hindi ako laging nakaka-reply, but once I have the time, I will. And ayun, gusto ko lang magpasalamat because I can see all your efforts. Thank you, and I love you guys!
Happy birthday sa'yo, Ina. Thankful ako na naka-work kita. Sana magtagal tayo dito sa Ang Probinsyano. And stay pretty and stay grounded. And Hi, Oscar! Happy birthday sa'yo! Ayan, ikaw mismo ang nag-video sa akin ngayon. Kaya, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. And sana lagi ka lang ganyan masayahin. At ayun, enjoy your birthday. Thank you. God bless.
Akala ko man.
Hi, Buildek. Nag-build ka na ba ng bahay? Joke lang. Hello. I hope to meet you soon. Take care.
Hello, Daniel Judah. Mag-ingat ka palagi. And ayun, sana magkita tayo soon.
Game.
Hi, Ella Reyes. Thank you sa pagtulong mo sa akin care today. Saka, next time kasama ko na si Makoy. Love ko gusto ko yun. See you! Inaamin ko na kay tagal pa bago nakalimutan ito. Muntik na nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa at kaya nang iwanan ng bakas ng kahapon ko. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, magbago man ang himig ng puso mo. Handa na akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin. Welcome change with the new Burger McDo.
Ang tangkad! Iba rin eh! Iba! Kakaloka ka!
Hi guys! I'm with Elise Hassan, the Burger McDo girl. Invite them to your social media accounts.
I want to invite you guys to follow me on
Instagram.
Elise Hassan, and on Twitter also.
Yeah, she's the sweetest girl. I love working with her. I'll see you again soon.
Yes, I'm sure.
And I hope you like our photos.
I love it. Check out the photos.
Megastar will be released. The full set will be released. Yay! Bye bye.
Hi, Joanna and Jane of Dog Party Shih Tzu. Salamat po sa salamat kay Ayan, kung kailangan niyo po ng Shih Tzu.
Hi guys, we're Macleese.
And this is our very first cover shoot. Watch out for it on
Inside Showbiz Weekly.